Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel, the home of no nonsense barbecue videos. Today we're going to be cooking these pork ribs in the Gozney Dome. These are pork ribs that we're going to be using today. These are the farm food ones. Pretty lean on this side, and all we need to do is remove this membrane. So all I do is take a sharp knife, just insert it under the edge, just to release a bit of this membrane. You can use the handle of a spoon if you want. So I've just got some loose there. I'm going to take some kitchen paper. This aids it gripping this membrane. So we're just going to go over this membrane, pull sharply down, and it should remove the membrane in one piece. There we go. Just keep pulling, and that's the membrane removed. Like I say, there's not much fat on these, so we're just going to use American mustard as a binder. Now, you're not going to be able to taste this mustard once you've cooked these ribs. It's purely just to bind your rub to the rib. And today we're going to be using this. This is Dutchy's BBQ Rub Level number 2. This has got a little bit of a heat kick to it. So we're just going to rub the mustard all over. What we're trying to aim here is one dirty hand and one clean hand. So we're going to take our rub and give it a generous coating. Just going to massage it in, make sure it's all adhered to this mustard. Any spots you've missed, just dab a bit more on. Turn over. More mustard. Massage it in again. Just spread it all over nice and even. Don't forget the sides, because the sides like flavour too. Come back with your rub and just repeat the process. So there we have it. There are ribs ready. We're going to place our ribs in a large baking tray. These will just about fit in here. Now it's time to get them in the Gozney Dome. We've had our dome heating up. We're using gas and we're running at about 230 degrees C. That's 450 F. So all we've got to do is pop them in. This tray just fits in. And now we're going to pop this door back on. I will be looking to manufacture these doors and sell them on our website. So there we are, 229, which is about 446 F. These ribs have had an hour and a quarter now. Just take them out. Look at that, we're starting to get some colour on, and you can see the meat just pulling back off those bones slightly. What we need to do now is wrap these. I'm just going to leave these in the baking tin. We're going to wrap it. We're going to turn the tin through 180, pop it back into the Gozney Dome and get that door on, and we're going to go for approximately another hour and a quarter. So after an hour and a quarter, we're going to come in and have a look again. Remove the foil. You can see the steam coming up here. So the foil's done its job. And look at them. What we need to do now is sauce these. So I've got some of Dutchy's Homemade BBQ Sauce. I'll put a link up above here so you can see how to make this. We're just going to give it a good generous coating of barbecue sauce. Brush it all over. Once we've done that side, don't forget the underneath. So we're going to flip these. Look at the juices that have come out of these ribs. That's what's helped these ribs to steam when we had them foiled. Flip them back over. And now we're going to get them back into the Gozney Dome for about 15 to 20 minutes just to set this barbecue sauce up. We'll get these back in now. Still running at the same temperature, 230, 450F. Get the door back on, and we'll keep an eye on these because we don't want to burn them at this stage. That's about 15-20 minutes these had, and just look at the colour on them. So we're going to pull these out, and we're going to call these ready. Look at the colour. All we need to do now is rest these ribs. So we've got 2 layers of aluminium foil. We're going to place the ribs on them. Going to wrap it. Once you've wrapped it, you can place them under a towel to keep warm. And leave them for at least 1 hour. So there we have it, folks. These are Dutchy's pork ribs cooked in the Gozney Dome. We used Dutchy's level 2 barbecue rub, which has got a little bit of a spice, and our homemade barbecue sauce to finish them off. After all the hard work, I think we ought to have a look and see how we've done. Now we'll just cut the bone out. So just look at them. Moist, tender still. I think we better go in for a bite. For approximately 2.5 hour rib, they're not bad.